Alright, today I'm going to be changing out my levers. As you can see here, I chipped off the end of it. It accidentally fell over in the garage. I was moving it around off of one of those front jack stands. So it's pretty simple. You got a 10mm nut down here on the bottom. Loosen that up first. $10mm nut, 10mm wrench, and 4mm Allen. The only tools you need for this job, and some grease. We'll cover the grease here shortly. So you unscrew this threaded nut. Once that comes off, the lever just slides right out of the boot. Alright, on the new levers, you gotta make sure you grease up this fitting. I got some jet pump ball bearing grease you use on jet skis and jet boats. It's marine grease. It'll be used. It's excellent for any water. So you just add a little dollar. You don't need much, just to lubricate it. Because when you put it in the boot, so that's about all you need right there. So this model, you can go ahead and slide this piece into the boot. Alright, once you get the nut in on these TWM ones, all you gotta do is line it up this fitting right here. Slide your lever in. Push, give it a little push and it'll slide right in. Take your 4mm Allen, tighten it down. Once that's tight, put your 10mm nut on the bottom. It's a lock nut, so you don't have to worry about Loctite or anything like that. Also, make sure you put grease on this nut here. And there you go, that's it. Job done.